Here is a teeny tiny vlog from the Rishikesh trip that we did in 2023, and this is where we were staying, Tapovan Rise. So we are at Rishikesh, or it's super crowded since it is long weekend, and it's like कि हम लोग पीस के लिए आए थे, and everybody thought the same thing, and everybody is here. So अभी तो we are going for Ganga Aarti. Let's see how things unfold. When I say it is crowded, it is literally very, very crowded. You can see all the Delhi and Haryana ki cars. Then we were going to the river, to the Gangama, and there were so many stairs that we had to cross. But finally, just look at this view. I can't put it in words how peaceful it was, how worth it was. पापा पीछे से डरे हुए हैं कि गिर ना जाए. But oh, so peaceful. And can you see the little raft over there? I really want to try rafting, but I don't think I have the guts to be honest. But it looks so cool. Oh God. बड़ी मम्मा ये तो सच में हिल रहा है. That Ram Jhula was literally very, very scary. वो पूरा हिल रहा था, and it's like my heart was in my mouth all the time. And now we are gonna go to figure out where the Ganga Aarti happens, and there are so many mandirs in Rishikesh. Like every lane you go, there is a mandir, but at the same time, it is very crowded. It felt no less than Vrindavan or Mathura ki galiyan. After going through these lanes, wandering around, looking at people, these stalls and everything, and capturing the stranger, we finally reached where the Ganga Aarti happens. And this was blissful. Like, I've never felt this experience ever in my life. It was so peaceful, and it sort of healed something in me. It was a beautiful experience. Aarti ke baad we sat down beside Ganga Ma for some time, and as I've been repeating this keyword throughout the vlog, that it felt peaceful. उसके बाद we were very hungry, so we went near our hotel, and वहाँ पे there is this cafe, VJ's. It has Ganga's view and sort of by the Ganga, but थोड़ा ऊपर है. Amazing food, one of the best pizzas I've had, and overall quality of food was amazing. The view was good and worth visiting if you're visiting Rishikesh. Here comes our day 2 at Rishikesh, and those are my mama, papa getting ready, and we are leaving for Neelkant Mandir. And the Mausam was really pretty, very beautiful. And in fact, when we reached Mandir, we realized even that Mandir is very crowded. Just look at the traffic level. अभी हम लोग हैं at नीलकंठ मंदिर, और we have just reached. It's extremely crowded over here right now. Looking at the view, enjoying the scenery. That's my mom capturing the stuff. We reached Mandir ke bahar, where we purchased the prasad, and then we went inside. It was a long way. We again had to go through multiple lanes to reach the mandir. It was quite in the deep, and clicking videos and capturing videos and click pictures was not allowed over there, so we did not. Of course, we had to respect it, but jitna I could capture, I did from the outside, just to give you an idea about how long we had to walk inside in order to reach the mandir. Going up the stairs, down the stairs, but it was nice. Faith is such a beautiful thing. Look at all these dhagas that people have tied up with faith and believe in God. It feels so good to know that there is something people believe in which gives them the strength and hope. And hope and strength is what runs this world. As I mentioned, I did not click any picture or anything inside the mandir, and now this was the day 3 when we had to leave back for Delhi. So it was a beautiful stay, had a beautiful time over here, loved it. Bye bye, see you in some another video.